Presenting the Boult Audio Airbass PowerBuds TWS earbuds with 120 hours total playtime, inbuilt power bank, Type-C fast charging and IPX7 fully waterproof, black. The headphones comes in color options of blue and black. It comes with the earbuds can be used separately after successful pairing, not only listening to both earbuds in stereo mode and wireless earbuds. Improved high-quality mic for both earbuds and better call performance. It has carrying case and IPX7 waterproof earbuds and charging case in a nano coating. Ideal for sweating it out at the gym, and even wash the earbuds and base. It comes with playback time of up to 6 hours for every charge and earbuds, making total playtime of up to 120 hours. It also features one touch control and voice assistant, with one multifunction button, voice assistant function and 20 meters transmission distance. Driver size, 6 mm, auto pairing, no need to manually pair to your device each time, and Monopod feature. Latest Bluetooth 5.0, fast and stable transmission without tangling and 20 meters transmission distance. The delivery box contains PowerBuds earphones, charging case and extra pair of earbuds. Charging micro USB cable and user manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.